I'm Christopher Price with iConsole.tv. We're building an Android-powered gaming console using high-performance Intel Core processors and Iris graphics technology. At Mobile World Congress, we have a technology demo where we're showing the same Android experience that we've been building, our own Android OS build running on an Intel Ultrabook, playing the same games and showing developers that Android is going to scale up and be awesome on these really high-performance Android Ultrabooks, Android laptops, Android desktops, and iConsole.tv, which is both a mainstream gaming console and a two-in-one purchase for a powerful Android desktop. Sure, so let me start this demo back up. What we have asked developers to do is to start taking better graphics, better textures than what ARM devices can do today, and really scale it up. Really just not rewrite their games from scratch, but as they made an HD version for tablets, also make now an Iris or a 4K version of your game. Better graphics than what devices today can handle, but this is the kind of game performance that will be available late this year. No Android today can do this except for the iConsole developer kit that we have available at iConsole.tv for developers. But as you can see, that same game is running here on an Intel Ultrabook using the iConsole OS, which is at its core Android. We'll be shipping with Android KitKat.
So how has the game been modified to kind of take advantage of the Iris cores?
So the first thing is this is running both ARM and x86 native code. For a developer, this is now pretty easy. We support Havoc, we support Unreal. So the middleware platforms are coming on board. Unity developers, stay tuned. But what I can say is that optimizing for x86 has become very easy. If you have an ARM app, we can make that work too. But really the important thing, whether it's ARM or x86, is packing in better textures, better effects, better OpenGL graphics, and scaling to things like OpenGL ES3 that are relatively new to the Android ecosystem. We're not asking developers to do anything special for iConsole. We're asking them to look forward and pack in better graphics than what Android can do today. Sure, so we've got some games here. We have our Android user experience. Queuing.
So you've added in a start menu?
Yeah, we're testing out various user experiences and getting feedback. We've got a few months before we'll be on the market. I would say the core code's done. We're still doing some UX dynamics there. We've got built-in Microsoft Office document compatibility, view, open, edit, and share Word, Excel, and PowerPoint format documents. The nice thing is it's a real multitasking champ. As I toggle over here, I'll flip over to an in-game demo. And you can see these games all transition very gracefully. So we'll have broad controller compatibility, but here we've got a multi-touch game that will also work on controller in the near future.
Yeah, so this is Deus Ex.
Yeah, this is the Android Deus Ex, but we're using very high performance effects and animations here.
So if you're typically porting any kind of Android game over onto this, what kind of work will need to be done?
Yeah, so obviously accelerating for x86 will give you more opportunities, but initially better textures, better graphics, and OpenGL ES3 effects are what developers should look to. And then optimizing for Intel architecture using Intel's tools available at the Intel Developer Zone to optimize your apps from there.